Hello, my name is Jerry Henry from Kenya, Africa. I would like to personally thank you, Sad Ali, for enabling us find a platform to learn Forex. I personally, I have spent some time watching your videos. Yes, and I have learned very many things from your videos. My journey before actually finding out about your videos, it was very hectic. It was very hectic. I remember I had to consult a forex trader, but the forex trader was charging me a very hefty amount for me to learn forex. So I'm glad I finally found a platform where I could learn forex, and from the beginning, the training has helped me a lot. The training has helped me a lot. I can say I'm very thankful. Yeah, I have learned very many skills from support and resistance, from Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, trend lines or channels. My mindset, you have taught me how to control my mindset, to avoid greed, and to overcome fear. Yes, I have learned risk management. Yes, something that I didn't even heard of. I didn't know. I've learned about candlestick patterns. Yes, so I've learned a lot from your lessons. Yes, so I've learned how to read and analyze price charts on TradingView, something which I couldn't do before I discovered about your videos. And again, I'd like to thank you for giving us the right feedback on our chats on the private Facebook group. Yes, you are like a father figure to us and a teacher at the same time. So I'm very thankful to you, Sad Ali, for the Facebook students group. Yes, and for the Forex beginners family, I'd like us to just to practice what our teacher said earlier has taught us from lesson 1 to where we have reached. Thank you. I'm Jerry from Kenya.